Machines so powerful they can crush another machine in just seconds. This is where heavy machinery shows its true power. All vehicles have to give way to this machine. The tow Western Star, hauling a gigantic trailer, is transporting more than 60 tons of cargo across a highway stretching hundreds of kilometers. Meanwhile, its high-powered diesel engine continuously maintains steady pulling force through dense streams of heavy truck traffic. Another extremely dramatic transport operation begins. The oversized convoy starts rolling through thick clouds of dust. The Kleeman crusher, weighing dozens of tons, is hauled by Fasula's Heavy Transports alongside the Hitachi EX 450, which uses its high-powered engine to load and move massive mining equipment. Powerful hydraulic systems and a multi-axle chassis keep the entire convoy stable while climbing steep grades. Oh no, the power is absolutely terrifying. The Caterpillar D11T weighs nearly 104 tons and is powered by an engine producing more than 850 horsepower. It crushes the car completely with just a single pass over it. These are the most dangerous heavy equipment transport moments ever caught on camera. If you love extreme action, comment 1 right now so I can bring you even more intense videos. Amid a dusty, heavy equipment yard, the Caterpillar 545 begins moving forward slowly. With more than 300 horsepower and a weight of nearly 30 tons, this machine is designed for lifting and hauling heavy loads. Its massive steel bucket constantly rises and lowers, while the powerful hydraulic system keeps operating under extreme pressure. Even with crawler tracks installed, the deep mud makes movement extremely difficult. In the end, the DT75 has to rely on assistance from a truck-mounted crane. The machine uses its powerful crane boom to pull the stranded vehicle back to safety. Subscribe now to witness even more gigantic heavy machines like these. This is absolutely gigantic. Two massive machines beyond imagination are working deep inside a giant coal mine. The Liebherr R 9350 weighs more than 300 tons and features a bucket capacity of around 35 cubic meters, allowing this enormous machine to scoop up dozens of tons of coal and dump it directly into a haul truck within a single short operating cycle. A landslide at the mountain pass caused a massive boulder to collapse and block the road. Two SDLG excavator machines move in close against the giant rock, each weighing more than 20 tons as they forcefully push their steel buckets against the massive boulder weighing dozens of tons. The enormous weight of the transformer makes the convoy extremely difficult to move. The Case IH Steiger 715 quad track features a 778 horsepower engine and an independent 4-track system. This powerful tractor generates incredible traction to help haul the gigantic transformer convoy across dangerously steep roads. A mud cleaning excavator becomes trapped in the middle of the pond, with half of its body sinking beneath the surface. A gigantic crawler crane is then called in for assistance, extending its massive boom down into the water to rescue the stranded excavator. After hours of struggling, the excavator is finally pulled out successfully. I absolutely love the Liebherr R9350. It takes only 3 bucket loads to completely fill a haul truck. Weighing more than 300 tons and equipped with a bucket capacity of nearly 18 cubic meters, this hydraulic excavator continuously bites into enormous masses of rock and soil before rotating smoothly to dump them precisely into the truck bed. The Liebherr R9350 works nonstop, turning every loading cycle into a powerful display of raw mechanical strength. This is a massive construction site filled with powerful heavy machinery. These enormous machines use extremely powerful engines to level entire hills with relentless force. The road construction process is incredibly difficult and demanding. The engine noise grows louder as the LKT-81 pushes forward. Dragging tons of long timber behind it, the machine also has to move through deep snow. Fortunately, its track system makes traveling across the harsh terrain slightly easier. Subscribe today to explore gigantic machines heavy-duty technology, and powerful equipment operations every single day.